are 10 coding challenges that will elevate your programming skills in 2024. Create a real-time search filter for a dataset like books, movies, or user profiles. As the user types, results should instantly update. This challenge will introduce you to JavaScript for front-end development, user interface and user experience design principles, and basic search algorithms. You can also add advanced filtering options like multi-select categories, sliders for numeric values, and sorting. Write a program that solves a 9x9 Sudoku puzzle using a backtracking algorithm. This project deepens your understanding of recursion, backtracking, and grid-based problem-solving. You can use Python or another language, and even add a GUI with tkinter, where users input puzzles and watch the solver animate the solution. Build an app that fetches real-time data from a weather API, such as Open Weather Map or WeatherStack, and displays it for any city. Through this, you'll gain skills in REST APIs, JSON handling, and front-end development. Add advanced features like hourly forecasts, error handling, and responsive design for mobile. Create a visual tool to demonstrate pathfinding algorithms like Dijkstra's algorithm, breadth-first search, on a grid. This will help you understand graph traversal algorithms, data visualization, and animations. Let users add obstacles, set start, end points, adjust the grid size, and compare algorithms side by side. Build a URL shortener like Bitly or tinyURL. This challenge will familiarize you with databases, hashing algorithms, and back-end concepts. Include features to generate unique URLs, store and retrieve them, and build an analytics dashboard to show link click counts, top referrers, and geographic data. Develop a real-time chat app using WebSockets. You'll learn about WebSocket programming, back-end architecture, user interface, and user experience for live interactions. Additional features like group chat, typing indicators, timestamps, and user authentication for managing chat rooms make this project even richer. Create a tool that encrypts and decrypts text using a simple algorithm like Caesar cipher. This project introduces cryptography principles, encoding, and string manipulation. Add a user interface for file encryption, decryption, so users can protect sensitive files. Build an app to track income and expenses, simplifying budgeting. You'll explore data storage with SQL or NoSQL, CRUD operations, and front-end development. Enhance it with monthly and annual summaries, budget goals, and categories. For advanced functionality, integrate bank account connections for automated transaction tracking. Create a simple image classification tool using a pre-trained model like convolutional neural network to identify objects in images. This project introduces machine learning models, data processing, and ML deployment. Include a confidence score and a UI where users can see classifications in real time. Build a recommendation engine that suggests products based on user behavior and item similarity. This project will expose you to recommendation algorithms, clustering techniques, and data science principles. Enhance it with personalized recommendations, user feedback integration, and hybrid approaches to improve accuracy. With these 10 coding challenges, you're set to push your programming boundaries in 2024. Each project offers unique skills and insights, whether it's mastering front-end interactivity, diving into algorithms, or exploring data science. So, take on these challenges, experiment, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Happy coding, and here's to a year of growth, creativity, and breakthroughs in your programming journey.